Hi, welcome to Unwrapped. I'm Marc Summers, and today we're strolling down the boardwalk discovering secrets behind classic summertime sweets. And our first stop is a real classic, first appearing in 1900 at the Ringling Brothers Circus. It's right here. It's cotton candy. We're going to see how one place spins this sweet stuff all year round. Watch this.
When it comes to candy, there's nothing else like it. Today it's called cotton candy, but these airy strands of spun sugar are so light they were once called fairy floss. America was introduced nationally to this sweet stuff in 1893 at the World's Fair in Chicago. It soon became a popular treat at other fairs, carnivals, and of course, along the boardwalk. Cotton candy became a summertime staple, but finding it at any other time of the year was nearly impossible. But in 1985, cotton candy took a big hop forward with the invention of fluffy stuff. Thanks to specially designed bags, cotton candy lovers could have this silky sweet anytime.
And this was very important because by putting cotton candy into bags, it had a much longer shelf life.
At their factory in Covington, Tennessee, Charms makes millions of lollipops every day. But behind locked doors is an area secured for fluffy stuff.
Our process is indeed beyond state-of-the-art and is in fact a secret process.
For the first time ever, they're allowing cameras to show some of the amazing technology that brings fluffy stuff to the store. It starts with the main ingredient, which is a special type of sugar called sanding sugar. Its larger granules make for fluffier stuff.
If you try to use regular sugar and make cotton candy, it tastes gritty or grainy.
600 pounds of the sweet stuff empties into a blending machine, and small amounts of flavor and color add to the batch. After mixing for several minutes, the strawberry-flavored sugar is emptied into a vat. Next, workers measure the mix into buckets and then fill hoppers at the top of giant spinning machines.
And a spinning machine consists of a large tub that rotates with an inner spinner, which is a small hopper that circulates at high RPM, and inside that you have industrial type heaters located that actually heat the sugar crystals to the extent where they melt, and that'll be way over 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
The melted sugar forces out of tiny holes in the screen, creating strands of floss that collect along the sides. Then the cotton candy is formed into what's called pillows and moved to bagging in a top secret process.
And we're using a lamination with a metallized film that is extremely airtight and gives us shelf lives in excess of a year.
Which means cotton candy can be enjoyed anytime, anywhere.
You don't have to wait to have it at the carnival in warm weather, but you can eat it in the wintertime when you're watching a film because it does have moisture and air protection.